Now that you've clicked on this video, it means that you want to start your UX design career, but you lost an element. You have lost the how element, the thing that will help you define your path as UX designer. I'm going to help you find your way, and I'm going to take you to a trip to several universes and ask my variants some questions. Are you ready? Fasten your seatbelts. Whoa! Holy, it worked. Who are you? You do realize that's a pen, right? Who are you? Easy now. Calm down. I'm you from another universe. What? What do you mean another universe? How are you here? That's not important. I'll tell you later. I'm here to ask you some questions. What question? Come on. Put the pen down. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're a UX designer, right? Yeah? Yeah, I am. Alright, I'm gonna ask you one question and then I'm gonna leave. Is UX design worth it? Yeah, totally worth it. I mean, in this universe at least. Well, in here, UX design is one of the most in-demand positions in technology, with 87% of hiring managers saying that hiring UX designers is a top priority. Also, job sites recently ranked UX design as the 5th most in-demand roles in all positions. But that's not it. I mean, we all work to make money so we can get our life rolling, right? So money is a big deal. According to Coursera, the average base salary of UX design in US is something around $90,000 each year. Well, that was pretty good info. Thank you. What? That's it? Yeah, I'm done actually. See you later, pal. Weird. Whoa, that was awesome. I mean, seriously, who takes you to travel between universes but me? Subscribe if you want to experience it again. So far we understood that it's totally worth it, but now I'm going to tell you how you should learn it yourself and refuse paying for classes. And we're starting right now. Number 1, learn the fundamentals of UX design. The experience of a user on a website is arguably the most important part of any successful design, which means it's important that you understand the first and important principles of UX design. Understanding why users perform a certain action and what makes them using a site is key to creating a digital product that meets users' needs and also meets brands' goals. Fortunately, there are affordable ways that you could understand this part. Like what? Like books. I recently uploaded a video with the name of Mind-Blowing Must-Read UX Design Books. The link is up here. Don't forget to watch it and don't forget to hit the like button. Number 2, develop your eye for UI and UX design. Learning the basic principles of UI or UX design will only take you so far. To really take your skills to the next level, practice studying the designs of websites or mobile apps you love. With a critical eye, by the way. Next time you see a website you love, for example, take a few minutes to analyze what it works so well for you. Is it the color palette, the interaction design, or even the typography? Number 3, ask for feedback. Contrary to popular belief, and negative feedback can be actually much more useful than positive feedback. But seriously, don't show your designs to mom, dad, sister, brother. Come on, you understand the thing. Feedback can help you grow as a designer, level up your skill, and create better products. Learn to seek and embrace negative design feedback and use them as fuel to improve your design. Post your works on Dribbble or LinkedIn or other places, Twitter is good as well, or even you can send them for me and I'll tell you, or even create another video and tell you what is wrong with your design or what are the benefits of your design. Look, here's a brand new word made up. Here's a brotherly advice. Negative feedbacks can be one of the most positive things that can happen in your design career. But you have to understand that you don't have to overhaul all your design skills overnight. Try to become 1% better every day and that'll do the trick. That is good. This is how I did it. This is how everyone does it. So you don't have to keep, yourself, I have to do it. I have to do it this time. I have to do it this time. I have to be perfect 100% this time. Try to be better for 1% each day and you'll see the trick and you'll see the results. Number 4, read articles every day. To make yourself get familiar with design, the best way is to read articles about UX design each day. By the way, I just created my Medium blog. The link is down in the description. You can follow me there as well. I try to write weekly advice for you, and I think that'll be a good help for you as well. Make reading design news and blogs a habit for yourself and do it every day. For example, do it every day in the morning or when you want to fall asleep. That's a great idea. I mean, it's been proven that reading anything in the morning when you just wake up will be easier for you to memorize it. Luckily, there are a million, 2 millions, I don't know, there are lots of blogs available for us on the up on the internet, and you've got YouTube, you've got Google, and you've got books. Everything is actually really available. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, come on, do it. Just hit the subscribe button. Right, there's one last topic to cover. Have you ever met someone and said, damn, he born to be this? For example, I myself, I'm really into Marvel movies. And the second I saw Robert Downey Jr., I was like, damn, he's the Iron Man. In this part, we're gonna talk about who is the right person for being a UX designer. And we're starting right now. The first attitude that UX designers have is that they are, problem solvers. UX designers, by their very nature, solve problems and seek for solutions that creatively align users' needs and business goals. I mean, we solve big and small problems every day as we go about our life. The goal for every UX designer is to turn problem solving into a habit for himself or for herself, so they feel more prepared and assured when they encounter similar design problems in the future. Number 2, UX designers are good communicators. Look, you have to turn yourself from this, hi, I'm a UX designer, yeah, into this one, hey, yeah, I'm a UX designer, you want to talk? Yeah, see? Did you see the difference? Being a good communicator is absolutely critical to succeed as a UX designer. For example, imagine that you're going to talk to a client and you have to understand what their goals are, what do they need the website or application, and how are they gonna communicate with their customers. So if you are from the first type, hi, I'm a UX designer, yeah, you can't actually talk that well and you end up screwed up. But if you're from the second type, hey, yeah, I'm a UX designer, you want to talk? You're gonna end up understanding everything and finish the project in the best way as possible. Number 3, UX designers are great listeners. This skill is not only important for advancing your career, but also it's important for building meaningful relationships. Good listening means being able to read and be aware of both verbal and non-verbal messages. You need to understand that good listening means less mistakes and better project results. So if you want to keep learning, this video is the best video YouTube choosing for you, and this video is my previous video. Until next time, have a good time.